Hello students, today we are going to learn commercial banks. Commercial banks refers to a bank or a division of a large bank. Commercial banks are specially dealing with deposits and loan services to corporation or large and middle-sized business. These commercial banks do not provide long term loans. In order to maintain liquidity, commercial banks do not provide long term loan, only it provide short term loans. Here we can see the functions of commercial banks. Commercial banks functions are can be classified into three types: primary functions, secondary functions, and other functions. We can see one by one. First, let's see primary functions. The primary functions of commercial banks were accepting deposits and advancing loans. Under accepting deposits, there are two kinds of deposits: demand deposits and time deposits. Demand deposits can be withdrawn by individuals without any prior notice to the banks. For example, savings account and current account. Without informing the individuals, those who are having the bank account, they can withdraw their money. On the other hand, time deposits are made for certain fixed period of time. These deposits can be withdrawn only after the specific time period. And second, advancing loans. Advancing loans means providing loans. Commercial banks provide loans in the form of overdraft, cash credit, and discounting bills of exchange. Next, secondary functions of commercial banks. Secondary functions of commercial banks are agency functions, general utility functions, letter of credit, transferring funds, and collecting income. We can see one by one. First, agency function. Agency function means the commercial banks act as agents of customers by performing various functions such as collecting checks, collecting income, and paying expenses. And second, general utility functions. It means the commercial banks provide some utility services to the customers by performing various functions such as providing locker facilities, issuing travelers check, transferring funds, and letter of credits. And third, transferring funds. Transferring fund means transferring fund from one bank to another bank. Funds are transferred by means of draft, telephonic transfer, and electronic transfer. And the last one under secondary function is letter of credit. Commercial banks issue letters of credit to their customers to certify their credit worthiness. Moving to the next one, other functions. Other functions of commercial banks are money supply, credit creation, and collection of statistics. Money supply refers to one of the important functions of commercial banks that helps in increasing money supply. Credit creation means the multiplication of loans and advances. Commercial banks receive deposit from the public and use these deposit to give loans. These functions of commercial banks known as credit creation. And collection of statistics means banks collect and publish statistics relating to trade, commerce, and industry.